Planet Earth, a world teeming with life, its surface, a breathtaking tapestry of towering mountains, vast plains and winding rivers. From the depths of the Earth to the skies above, geological processes are constantly at work, molding and reshaping the landscape we see today. These processes, as slow and imperceptible as they may seem to us, are the architects of Earth's beauty and diversity. We will explore the dramatic impact of tectonic plate movements, witness the fiery birth of volcanic mountains, and uncover the subtle but relentless forces of erosion and uplift. Join me as we embark on this adventure to understand the awe-inspiring power of nature and the processes that have shaped our planet's remarkable landscape. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth's crust is not a solid, unyielding shell, as we might imagine. Instead, it is broken into numerous fragments like a giant jigsaw puzzle. These fragments, known as tectonic plates, are in constant motion, albeit extremely slow. Driven by the heat from the Earth's core, these plates drift and grind against each other, creating immense pressure and friction. It is at these plate boundaries where the most dramatic geological events occur, giving rise to towering mountain ranges and deep ocean trenches. One type of mountain formed by these colossal collisions is the fold mountain. The Himalayas, home to the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, are a prime example of fold mountains formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates. Another type is the fault block mountain. These mountains are formed when tectonic plates move apart or converge, causing the crust to fracture and slide along fault lines. The Sierra Nevada mountain range in California, known for its granite cliffs and giant sequoia trees, is a spectacular example of fault block mountains. Lastly, we have dome mountains, formed by the upward push of magma from deep within the Earth's mantle. The Black Hills of South Dakota, sacred to the Lakota people and home to Mount Rushmore, are a well-known example of dome mountains. While tectonic plate movements are responsible for some of the Earth's most impressive mountain ranges, another powerful force plays a crucial role in shaping our planet: volcanic activity. Volcanoes are like vents or chimneys that connect the Earth's molten interior with its surface. When pressure builds up beneath the Earth's crust, molten rock, known as magma, rises through these vents and erupts as lava, ash, and gases. As these eruptions occur repeatedly over time, the lava and ash solidify, layer upon layer, building up conical mountains that we recognize as volcanoes. Mount Fuji in Japan, with its iconic symmetrical cone, is a classic example of a stratovolcano, formed by layers of lava and ash. On the other hand, shield volcanoes like Mauna Loa in Hawaii are formed by the effusive eruption of fluid lava flows. These eruptions are less violent and create gently sloping mountains that resemble a warrior's shield. Volcanic activity also creates other unique landforms, such as volcanic plateaus, calderas, and lava domes. Section 4. Shaping the landscape, erosion and uplift. While tectonic and volcanic activities are responsible for building mountains and other landforms, erosion and uplift are the forces that constantly reshape and sculpt them. Erosion is the process of wearing down and transporting rock and soil. Wind, water, ice, and even living organisms act as agents of erosion, relentlessly carving away at the Earth's surface. Rivers, for example, carry sediment downstream, slowly eroding their banks and carving out valleys. Glaciers, massive rivers of ice, grind down mountains, leaving behind U-shaped valleys and jagged peaks. Uplift, on the other hand, is the process of raising land elevation. This constant interplay between construction and destruction creates the diverse landscapes we see today. Section 5. Beyond mountains, a world of diverse landforms. Our journey through the Earth's geological wonders doesn't end with mountains. Valleys, often carved by rivers or glaciers, are low-lying areas between hills or mountains. Plains, on the other hand, are vast, flat expanses of land that are often formed by the deposition of sediment by rivers or wind. Plateaus are elevated, flat areas of land that are often capped with resistant rock layers. Deserts, characterized by their aridity and lack of vegetation, are shaped by wind erosion and the occasional flash flood. Dunes, those mesmerizing waves of sand, are sculpted by the wind, constantly shifting and changing shape. Coastal features such as beaches, cliffs, and estuaries are shaped by the relentless action of waves, tides, and currents. Section 6, A Never-Ending Story, Earth's Dynamic Landscape. As we conclude our exploration of Earth's landforms, it is important to remember that our planet is not static. The forces that have shaped its surface over millions of years are still at work today, constantly molding and reshaping the landscape. Understanding these processes is not just about appreciating the beauty and diversity of our planet. It also helps us comprehend the challenges posed by natural hazards, manage our resources sustainably, and appreciate the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. For within each rock, each grain of sand lies a story millions of years in the making, a story of Earth's ever-evolving canvas.